Ever pondered over what foods can shield your gut from harm? Have you been seeking answers to fortify your digestive health? Well, today we're diving into a fascinating exploration of the top 5 foods that are superheroes for your gut health. So, brace yourself for a culinary journey that's not just about tantalizing your taste buds, but also about safeguarding your gut. First on our list, we have the humble yet powerful bananas. This easily accessible fruit is a powerhouse of prebiotics, a type of fiber that the good bacteria in your gut feast upon. These yellow wonders are also packed with potassium and magnesium, which help protect your stomach walls from damage. Following closely are blueberries. These tiny, vibrant berries are bursting with antioxidants and fiber. They not only help in reducing inflammation in your gut, but also increase the diversity of your gut bacteria. So, imagine your gut as a bustling city and blueberries as the architects creating a vibrant, diverse landscape within. Our third food hero is the mighty broccoli. This green vegetable is a member of the cruciferous family, famed for its high fiber content and antioxidant properties. Eating broccoli can aid in digestion and help reduce inflammation. It's like the bodyguard of your gut, always ready to defend it from harm. Next in line is the versatile and creamy almond. Almonds, with their high fiber content, beneficial fats, and antioxidant properties, are like the triple threat to gut issues. They help in digesting food and can also lend a hand in fighting off harmful gut bacteria. Last but certainly not least, we have the magical kefir. This fermented milk drink is a probiotic powerhouse. It's like the friendly neighbor who's always there to help, in this case, fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. So, there you have it, the top 5 foods to protect your gut from damage. To recap, we have bananas, blueberries, broccoli, almonds, and kefir. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support your digestive health and help maintain a happy gut. Remember, a healthy gut is a cornerstone for overall well-being. It's not just about eating right, it's about feeding the trillions of tiny helpers in your gut that work tirelessly to keep you in good health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, give a thought to these gut protectors because as they say, you are what you eat, and wouldn't you rather be a superhero?
Subscribe to Nourish Nest